how to set time limit for apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set time limit for apps on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as digital well-being and parental controls, so just tap on it. And now here on the next page, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as app timers, so just tap on it. And now here on the next page, you'll see the list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. Now here you can just search and select the app to where you want to set the time limit to. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, there you will find the app timer option, so just tap on it. And now here, once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you can just set your time limit, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on OK. And here with that, you will be able to set time limit for any apps on Android. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.